Okay guys, I'm back, and we're gonna mix up some resin for this piece over here. Oops. Yep. I do want a lot of colors, so I have a lot of cups. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. So I hope I have enough resin. Yeah, looks like it. Okay, first one is Guatemala green. I like this color a lot, so I'm going to take like that, put it in the resin, and mix it up. Those are intense colors that I like. So we're going to let it sit there for a bit so that it can soak into the resin. And then I'm going to go for Stargazer. Put the cap back on. Don't want to waste any of this stuff. This one is really a sort of a light blue. Oops. There you go. As you can see, beautiful luster. Then I want some green. Sort of greenish. This one is African Jade. So that's, it's not really green. Well, a little bit. Oops. I might even add some of my other green to this, just to green it up a little bit. Yeah, that's working. See that? Now it's a little bit more green. Then we have Ocean Wave. Oops, spilling a little bit of it. Don't want to do that. That's nice and blue. There you go, look at that. That's pretty. Then I want some really deep color. That's this one. But I want this one to be really intense. That is a really, really deep and intense color. Look at this color. Look at that. That is beautiful. This is the most intense blue I've ever seen. Okay, it's called Blue Moon, and it's from the resin art from Color Art. So we got that one, which we really think is the, this is going to be the contrast color. And then I'd like something really light, but what can that be? Got to think about that. Oh, silver maybe. I have some very sparkly silver. Gonna put a little more in there than what we normally do and see what happens. Yeah, that's nice. Put that in. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay. Now, what I wanted to do is take all these colors and put them in one cup. That's number one. And then after each layer is put in there, I want to put a couple of drops of RESI tint in there. And I'll show you that in a bit. after each layer. This is a Resi Blast. So this sort of makes cells. Then a little bit of the dark. Don't want to put all in all at once. I hope it doesn't really mix all together. That would really be a bummer. Then a little bit of silver. Not too much. Then the blue again. Not too much. Ooh, that is really sinking fast. There we go. I think we're almost there. A little bit more of the silver. It won't be enough to cover the whole this board, but it'll have the start of something pretty, I hope. Okay. That's it. One more drop of the Resi stuff in there. And we'll see what happens. So I'm going to just put it on top, slide it up, and pull it back down. Now that is really pretty. And I really want everything to come out of that cup. We'll just leave it to soak there. Now I'm going to torch it. Wow, that is some neat stuff. Fill in a couple of holes. And now I do have to try and smooth it out just a little. I'll lose a little bit of the cells, but that's okay. Okay, what I'm seeing is that every time I fill in those cells, new ones pop up, so that's kind of nice. What I think I just might try to do is cover the whole thing here. Just a little bit so that it's not that much of a job when I do the final coat. And I might just even leave it like this and do a clear layer. I'm not sure yet, but I'll figure it out. Wow, look at those effects. These are some pretty effects. Even this, what I'm doing with my finger, makes for really pretty patterns. See, if I cover the whole thing, then I have the option to only do a clear coat. Yeah, it's fully done now. Oh, up there a little bit. This is really pretty. Here, I think I need a little bit more. Okay guys, this is really pretty. Look at that. Wow. Everything has little cells in it. That's pretty awesome. I'm going to keep it exactly like this. The only thing I'm going to do is add just a little bit here and there of the sparkle. And I'm looking for special sparkle. Yep, this is it. Let's see. That's it. Just a tiny bit. Here is a lot of sparkle. I like that. And then here, up here, I want some of that darker sparkle. And then when I do a top layer, you won't even see that there is glitter added to the piece. But I might even try to sink it. Yep, that works. That's working out really well. I wouldn't even have to put a clear layer on top. That's what I'm seeing. Just a few little holes here, but I think I could manage with. But there are little oil stains that I see, so I'll have to clean it, and then I will have to clean it and then do a layer just to make sure that these oil spots are off. But this is it. That is pretty. You really want to make something out of this. Maybe a lamp or something. You know, a wall lamp. Cut it out of here. That will really be beautiful. Okay guys. This is it for today, for this weekend. Want to tell you all that I really appreciate you being with me all weekend. And you'll see me next weekend. And we'll have some more fun. So... love you all to pieces like always. Hou van jullie allemaal. Lief euch alle. And I'll see you next weekend.